Linktree tutorial, full tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Linktree. Now, what exactly is Linktree and how can we use it? Well, Linktree is a platform which allows you to simplify everything and put all of your links in one simple link. Now, why might you want to do this? Well, if you are an influencer, if you're promoting product, if you are an affiliate marketer, then using Linktree is one really important step, because right now a lot of social platforms are not going to allow you to integrate multiple different links together in separate posts. So it only allows you to add one link in your bio, and you can't just promote one of your products or one of your businesses in one link. So for that purpose, you can use a platform like Linktree. Linktree allows you to have as many links under one link, and it provides you a all-in-one interface for all of your recommendations, products, socials, websites, and so much more. So let's get started. To sign up, simply click on sign up for free on the top right, and Linktree is completely free to use, and they do have paid versions for certain upgrades. We're going to sign up with Apple. We're going to sign up with Google. You can sign up with your email address or Apple. I'm just signing up with Google because it's really quick and easy to sign up with Google. So for that purpose, I'm just going to be using Google. So once we have signed up, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to be choosing our Linktree name. So my name is the Midge Maisel, which ideally I want, but if it's not available, I would have to change it. You can add numbers, underscores, dots, and a few extra words, something like that, in case the name you want is not available. The Midge Maisel is available, so I'm just going to click on continue. And once I click on continue over here, our next step is going to be started, where we are going to be choosing what describes us the best. So whether we are a creator, business, or if this is just your personal Linktree account. So let's say that I am a creator, and I'm just going to click on continue. You're going to choose what you're using Linktree for. So if you're just doing this for fun, I'm just going to click on I'm just doing this for fun. You can get a pro trial for the first 7 days, but I'm going to skip directly to the free version of Linktree. Once you do that, you guys can see you can find different plans. So I'm going to scroll down and directly get started with the free plan. This includes basic monetization tools. From here, you can select templates and onboard, but I like to skip this because I just like to do everything together. And we're just going to click on continue building. Once we do that, on the left, we will have a menu bar where we have our Linktree. So we can see this is currently blank, and we can add a bio. We're going to click on over here. I'm going to say, hey, hi, I'm Midge, and these are all the things that I love, like this. And I'm just going to add this as my bio. Then I can add my Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever social media accounts that I want to use and integrate. I can add them here. So you have different options. You can add social icons. You can choose the positioning. I want it on the top. I want this Instagram, and it's going to be Midge Maisel, and I'm just going to add my Instagram account. I'm just going to add Allison simply because I have to add @Allison like this. Whatever your Instagram name is, we're going to just add this, and you guys can see the Instagram icon is now visible. You can add more icons, and you can click on edit image to edit the image. You can delete the current image, design with Canva, or upload your own image. I'm going to be uploading my own, and I'm just going to be using a stock image like this. You can add your own backgrounds as well as customize the appearance of your Linktree as well. So from here, we are going to be adding different links to simplify our link in bio system. So if I click on add, we have a couple of different options, and you're not limited to these options. You can add other options as well, including courses, chatbots, digital products, discount codes, and many other forms of content. You can add monetized content such as Amaze, GoFundMe, product galleries, bonfires, ebooks, and more. And you can add your following options. So if you want to add forms, collect data, contact details, you can add those. Now, Linktree has segregated a section for your shop. So if you click on My Shop, you can add some products, and you can copy and paste links from anywhere. You can organize products into a collection. So you can build a home care collection, a clothing collection, or just recommendations for pets, stuff like that. You can add these products, and if you're earning an affiliate commission, you can add those here. This allows you to have a separate section for products and a separate section for socials in your feed. Currently, you guys can see my shop is hidden. If I enable it, my shop would show up as a different section, and this would be displayed on my Linktree. Below that, you have a new section called Earn, where you can sell free digital products that you can create. We have courses and digital products. Digital products include things like Amazon KDP books, stickers, things like that, cookbooks, ebooks, any type of ebook would fall under digital product. Then you have courses where you can share your expertise with an online course, which you can build on Linktree. Below that, you have your audience, where you can view analytics, and then you have a general analytics section. And then you have your social planner, Instagram auto reply, and other tools that are associated with Linktree. So instead of using a third-party link shortener, Linktree has now introduced their own link shortener. You can go into link shortener here to simplify any of your links, especially if you have affiliate links, so those can be really long and complicated. You can shorten them for free over here. And building your own Instagram auto reply and social planner can help in engaging content and building engaging content throughout the entire month, and having a content schedule can really be beneficial for most businesses. Now, if I click on my Linktree on the top, I can now customize it because I don't want a blank slate like this. For that, I'm going to click on design on the top right, and from here I can get started with a theme. Now, there are certain premium themes, and if I scroll down, I can see some of the free ones as well. Currently, they have this trending theme, so we can use this over here. And some of these are premium only, but a lot of these are available for free. You have a bunch of different color schemes that are available for free as well. So I'm going to use one of this one. And we can also customize the appearance. We can customize how our buttons look, how the outlines are going to look, how the coloring is going to be, the fonts, and the sharing preview. So once you've customized this appearance, you can go back. And once you go back, you can just click on share, and you can add this to your socials. You can share your Linktree link, as well as share it in the form of a QR code. Just copy your Linktree URL, and if you paste it over here, you will be able to view your Linktree and see what your Linktree looks like. So this is what it looks like. Obviously, this is optimized for mobile devices, but it looks really nice. And as you add your links, they would all be available here. So it serves as a unified platform for all of your things in one place. Now, Linktree starts ad-free with unlimited links and social icons. Then their starter plan at $4 allows you to customize themes, build your own audience, redirect links. The pro version at $7.50 allows you to personalize your Linktree, highlight key links, and comprehensive analytics. And then they also have a premium, which gives you a concierge onboarding, unlimited posts, as well as team add-ons and more. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.